Hi you guys, it's Pepsi coming to you with another freaking video, and today I will be showing y'all how I flat iron my hair with the weave. And yeah, let's get into it. So what you would need, or what I
use, is this Suave Keratin Infusion Heat Defense Leave-In Conditioner. Very good. It helps blend my natural hair into the weave. Let me show y'all. And then I already did my so-called edges, and I
use Gorilla Glue. And then I use this Eco olive oil and shea butter gel. What I do first is I put the gel down, take my handy toothbrush, and shape your edges into shape. And then I take the Gorilla Glue and then I just, pat it on top of my edges, and then I rebrush it, into shape. And that's it. That's all I done. And yes, let's get into it. The hair that I get in my head is Hairinbeauty, and it will be across the screen. Duh. But yeah, so this is how I look, y'all. I promise you, I haven't combed this hair ever since yesterday. I said it as if it was a long time, but I love this hair. The only bad thing about this hair is that it sheds. It really do sheds. Like, they just need a better technique at sewing the hair down, because it sheds. But it's some really nice hair. This is my part, and all I'm going to do is, I forgot to mention that I use this Mimosa. You can't see the label, but it's Mimosa Hair Honey. And I don't know who makes this. I think it's Carol's daughters make this. So all I'm going to do is take a little bit of this, like really just a little bit. Like, do y'all see that? Just a little bit. Then I'm going to rub it together. I'm going to take my hair, my natural hair, and then I'm just going to slide it through like that for each section. And then I take the keratin conditioner, and I only use a little bit of this, and then I slide it through. Then I slide it through the hair. You know what, I really don't do anything much with this hair because it don't take anything to get straightened. So all I do is take a flat iron, Infinity Pro, and then I just slide it through it one time, and that's it. Then I do the same thing. I don't care how big my parts be, because it's still gonna get flat iron no matter what. That's it. And y'all see how straight that is? Just one pass. Like I said, this is Hairinbeauty hair. I really like this hair. And guess how old? I forgot to mention. Guess how old this hair is? A year old. 1 year old. I had bought this hair in December of 2017, and I bought it for New Year's to bring in 2018. So this hair is 1 year old. When I put it in my hair, I only had it in my hair for about 2 months, and then I took it out. I don't keep hair in my hair for so long. So yes, but you see, it still got wave to it, baby. You see that, baby? But yes, this is about 2.5 bundles of hair. The bundles come real thick. And yeah, baby, I'm so fat. Take the other side of the hair, and like I said, it doesn't matter how much you get, how much hair you grab, it's going to come straight with these flat irons. Like, I'm telling you, these flat irons is really, really good. My baby father, he bought these for me, so I don't know where he got them from or whatever. You know what? Matter of fact, he bought these from a hype on the street, and he bought them from them. Well, the hype. So if you do buy this hair, make sure you seal the wells. That will help it from shedding a lot. I don't think I told y'all, but this hair is 16 inches, 3 bundles. And I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was like $115. Grade 10 hair. So y'all see that? It's really lovely. Okay, now with my leave-in. Baby, I'm gonna have to look at myself, okay? I've been looking at myself, but I'm looking at my mirror. If y'all haven't bought this hair yet, I suggest y'all buy it. Only buy 10A grade hair from them, because they 8A is garbage. I take like 2 passes through my regular hair. Okay? And then I take a brush. This is my sun brush. And then I just comb it through to make it blend in with the regular weave. Y'all see that? Y'all see? Y'all see that? I don't add anything to this hair, like, but this is the end results. Like, it's flowy. Let me shake it for you. It's flowy. I mean, it's really nice, lovely hair. It does dye, because I dye my other bundles that I got from them. But this 10A grade hair is like the best hair that I get from them. So if y'all really want to try out some hair, I bought this with my own freaking money. $115 for 3 bundles. And I believe I got a closure, but I'm not sure about that. But it was $115. And this is some good hair. Like I said, I had it for about a year. And look at it. Look. Do you see that? See that?